The documents are out.
The documents are real.
1 million pages dropped today.
What does the president feel?
The president feels
A procedurally appropriate
confidence in the ongoing.
investigative process which remains ongoing.
Ongoingly.
His name is on page 7.
A name appearing on a page.
Within a documented document does not constitute
A documentable appearance.
in any context where documentation would be considered.
Contextually documented.
A quantity is not a claim.
And presence does not equal
A
blame.
name and print is still a word, not proof of anything inferred.
Ink can travel, ink can land.
Without a guiding hidden hand.
Circulation's not consent.
And moonshine is an involvement. But the dates match.
Dates are intextual.
The flights match.
Flights are not contractual.
The signatures are procedurally consistent with the signature that any signatory might have signed in circumstances where a signature was called for by design. In any stand-up signing situation where a signing was aligned with standard operating signature requirements of the signing kind. What?
Sign here.
Sign here.
It's just a season doing what?
A season always
Does.
it settles softly and it stays layer by layer. It lays its claim.
Softening edges, blurring bling.
Nothing concealed, just the nature of these days.
Are you covering this up?
We are not covering anything at all.
We're transparent. The press imagines a wall.
Look outside, that's a cover up to you.
That's just accumulation.
True,
Things accumulate without design.
without a cause, without a sign, without concealment, without art, without us playing a single part, without anyone
Arranging anything.
settle quite so neatly over everything, which is to say,
A natural course of the natural thing.
is naturally how nature naturally brings its natural conclusion to a natural resolution of the naturally expected and entirely undetected natural kind.
Now, where are the pages?
That's what we're asking now.
Pages are procedurally sound.
Contextually and precisely bound.
Details of the investigation and play.
Words and pictures filling space appropriately.
Properly aligned.
The paper is thick.
The appropriate kind.
It's a witch hunt, the whole thing.
17 years they found nothing.
Total witch hunt.
A witch hunt, yes, the frame is clear.
The president just said that here. Witch hunt.
But his name is enough.
That bullshit is a hoax, a fiction.
And the rest?
Authentic, but not our jurisdiction.
So the documents are real.
Some documents might perhaps be real.
The framing is a witch hunt still.
What's the difference?
The difference is the framing skill.
Then who is guilty?
Guilt requires a prosecutor's part.
Detective work right from the start.
Evidentiary thresholds need merit.
At a constitutionally appointed defense set.
Appointment confirmed from front to back.
Procedurally defined and kept on track.
Completion, is that happening procedurally?
Ongoing since inception. Continuously.
Ongoing without interruption.
Redactedly. Ongoing without insertion. Exceptionally. And given what this office has withstood, the ongoing process does more good than any headline ever could. We're taking every page exactly as we should.
Beautiful day.
It really is, I have to say.
How it's naturally,
without intervention.
natural.